Hi, this is Mary Amato, author of the Lucy McGee book series. Grab your uke. It's time to learn Lucy's cleaning song. We're going to start by reviewing the three chords C, G7, and F. Start by playing the C chord with your finger on the 3rd fret. Then slide it down to make the G7 chord. Make sure that that finger is down there. Leave that finger there and add your other finger up to make the F chord. To play the droopy part, first make a G7 with your hand. Make sure that your fingers are in the right place. Strum. And then you're going to slide that chord up 1 fret, keeping the shape of the chord the same. Strum when you get there, and it'll sound a little funny, but it's supposed to. And then you're going to slide it back down and strum again. To play the opening, you're going to pluck the E string and then the C string, but your index finger is on the 2nd fret of that C string. So it's going to sound like this.
Oh, I got a bucket and a brand new sponge.
Then switch to the G7, so scooch down. And I went
to a dirty old jig.
back to the C, good. And then stay on the C.
I scrubbed the walls and the ceiling and the floor
And then you're going to switch to the G7 again.
until my arms were dead.
Great. Then you're going to switch to an F. Okay. There were beetles. Stay there the whole time. Beetles and bugs and ants and slugs. Stay there. Spider webs all.
And spider webs. all-
Great. And then go to the G7. Through. And then slide it up. Through, and then slide it down. Excellent. And then go back to the C.
And hiding in the corner were some little brown bits.
And then back to the G7.
Where I think a mouse went.
Back to the C.
See.